Okay guys, first thing we're going to do today on this video is we're going to start working on the electrical, and I'm going to go ahead and get this boot put on this plug wire. We got a brand new boot over here, right here, little snippers. You can see the boot we're using. It's a L-shaped boot. Looks like a pretty nice one. Amazon find. So, and all you got to do is just clip that off like that. That's gone. Pull this little doohickey off here. Slide it down the boot. And this, you're not going to be able to see this on the camera, but there's a little screw in there, a little, threaded thing. So that goes into here, and then you screw it on. You got to put some force on it so you get it started, and then just keep screwing it on. Eventually it'll bottom itself out, and there, it's getting there. Okay, probably one more turn. There we go. We got a spark plug boot. Slide that back on and pull that out a little bit. Fixed, just like that. The other side's fine, so we're leaving that alone. This end up here is fine on both of it, so that's taken care of. Now we're going to get into this. The ground cable, the bolt won't, it's broken, you can see. The bolt won't come out. That's the only rusted bolt I see on it. We got it shot with some penetrating oil and stuff on it so you can loosen it up. We don't want to strip it off and break it and wreck it and all that kind of crap. So we'll just let it sit for a while we tackle this stuff. We're going to try to know the best way to do this. I hate to pull the coils out if I don't have to, but this wire you can see is broken and it's been spliced down in here. So let's get this old tape off, see what kind of a mess we got down here. Actually, I don't know why it was taped. It might be, looks like it might have got hot, and so they maybe put some tape up just as a precaution. This goes from the Zener diode, or the rectifier. So, okay, that's a positive for the battery. That's pretty obvious. That's a negative for the battery. That's pretty obvious. This wire, these two wires, okay, were hooked like that, because actually that is the only wire besides the fusible link that looks like it's damaged. It looked, I guess, worse than what it actually is. So we have a new fusible link. Okay, this wire, where does it go? It goes down into the harness. And okay, we don't need that, we don't need that, we don't need that. I wonder if these two went together. Like that. And this would be to the other end of, well, why would it be red though? If the fusible link is brown, and that clips down on the rectifier down there. So let's go ahead and stop here for a second, and I'm going to pull the book out, and this is good idea here. When you get a bike like this, buy the manual, buy a repair manual. Don't say I don't want to spend 20 bucks or whatever they are now for a manual. Get a Haynes manual for a bike. You can buy any ones you want for any bike. Get one and have it so you can look stuff up. Otherwise, you're going to screw something up. If you cross the wires wrong, they're going to burn them all out when you hook the battery up, and then you're really up a creek. So we're going to go take a look at the wiring harness or the diagram and see which one of these two wires hooks to the fusible link. Okay guys, that's the end of this video, and we will get back to you here in another day or two with part 3, where we finish up the wiring and stuff. We had a few glitches in the wiring that we got to take care of. So we'll see you on the next video.